Hey, before you let another thought tell you that isa kang joke, gusto ko, tumigil ka muna. Pause. Hinga. This is a reminder na hindi ka katatawanan. You are not a laughing stock. Hindi ka embarrassment na your mind keeps on replaying. Hindi ka isang katatawanan, isang rumor na para lang sa entertainment. You are a person. It's funny how people love to laugh at what they don't understand. Imamak nila yung pain mo, yung breakdowns mo, yung healing process mo, just because they had the courage to face. They never had the courage to face their own. Tatawagin ka nilang dramatic or sometimes emo dahil lang you feel or tamad for resting and weak for being a human being. But here's the truth. Hindi ka nila tinatawanan dahil you're laughable. They laugh because it's easier than looking in the mirror. It is easier to point at someone else than to admit that they are hurting. So, kung pinagtatawanan ka man nila because you failed, kung nagwi-whisper man sila, nabulong man sila when you cry, if they roll their eyes at you, at your comeback, let them. Because someday, those same people will watch you rise and realize the person they mock was the same person who refused to give up on themselves. Hindi ka naman talaga dapat maging perfect eh. What you're supposed to be real, to feel real, to feel human. And being real means showing up even when your name's being laughed at, even even when your image has been twisted, even when your voice cracks, even when your voice shakes. Your value doesn't fade just because someone couldn't see it. You don't become worthless because been humiliated. You become stronger because you keep going despite it. And I know how it feels to be the center of people's jokes. Alam ko kung anong feeling na mag-pretend na hindi siya masakit. Nangumiti habang pinagtatawanan ka nila. But one day, you look back and realize, hindi nila masisira kung ano ka. Yung mga tawa nila, it only revealed who truly saw your worth and who never could. So hold your head up. Don't shrink. Don't apologize for your growth, your mistakes, your journey. Because everything they mock you for is exactly what's going to make you different. Unforgettable. Resilient. Hindi ka laughing stock. Hindi ka failure. You are a work in progress. Hindi ka joke. You were ahead of your time. So, this is your safe place. And if no one's told you today, you are doing better than you think. And I'm proud of you for staying even when it hurt to be seen.